Here we go. Two more packs to open, and hopefully we get a auto or a patch of Zion, Ja, Kobe. Uh, I don't know if Taco Falls included here for rookie. I don't know. I'm not sure, but I hope we do have an auto here, or even a higher parallel that we haven't opened up yet. Sorry for this because I don't have a stand here. It's on the other room, and I'll get back to that as soon as I start to go down. Okay, here we go. One pack. Two packs. Here we go. Auto. Jackson Hayes. Oh, Stephen Curry. I think this is a parallel. See there? Nice. Matisse Thybulle. Darius Garland. Tyler Hurd. Okay, last pack. I hope we get an auto. What's this? Hawaii, I think. Who the heck? Kendrick Nunn. Andre Drummond. DeAndre Hunter. Oh, Tyler Hero. Oh, Eric Pascal. It's a XRRC. Nice. Still haven't got a auto here. Okay, that's all, folks. See you later. The last two packs.